मोहम्मद की मोहब्बत दीन हक की शर्त अव्वल है। मोहम्मद की मोहब्बत दीन हक की शर्त अव्वल है। इसी में हो अगर खामी तो सब कुछ नामुकम्मल है। Honorable Principal, my respected teachers, and my dear fellows, today I am feeling honored to be here on stage and to share my feelings for the guiding light to the mankind, our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him. Inna Allah wa malaikatahu yusalluna ala nabi ya ayyuhalladhina amanu sallu alayhi wa sallimu taslima. Honorable Principal, the Noor which shine in the home of Hazrat Bibi Amna Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha soon spread to the whole world. Even after more than 1400 years have passed, this Noor is still shining with its full brightness and is source of hidayah for seekers and believers. Respected teachers, there is neither any mind which can truly realize the status of Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, nor any mind which can describe his words by his greatness. Only Allah Almighty knows, because He is the one who created His most beloved Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, and awarded him Maqam-e Mahmood. दरूद उन पर सलाम उन पर यही कहना खुदा का है। दरूद उन पर सलाम उन पर यही कहना खुदा का है। खुदा के बाद जो है मर्तबा सल्ले अला का है। My dear fellows, 1400 years ago, our forefathers were living in darkness. They had completely forgotten about the teachings of Allah Almighty and were worshipping idols. They had become inhuman to such an extent that they used to bury their daughters alive. Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, reminded them about teachings of Allah Almighty, taught them Holy Quran, and guided them through His Sunnah. The dark ages were transformed into one of the most enlightened age and brought forward great personalities like Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, Hazrat Farooq Azam, Hazrat Usman Ghani Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, and Hazrat Ali al-Murtaza Sher Khuda Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. The very people become champions of human rights and gave example of equality and justice which the world have never seen before. Women got their right of property and got right of witness. Jannah was put under the feet of mothers and promised to those who would take proper care of their daughters. Even minorities got their due rights. Dear all, in the end I want to conclude by my words by praising that the Noor of Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, will remain shining forever even when the sun would stop shining. Allah Almighty has made him source of help and happiness for all the humanity, from the beginning till after the end. The mercy of Allah Almighty and His Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessing be upon him, has no boundaries for sure. निगाहे इश्क व मस्ती में वही अव्वल वही आखिर, निगाहे इश्क व मस्ती में वही अव्वल वही आखिर, वही कुरान वही फुरकान वही यासीन का. Thank you.
وسلم دائما أبدا على حبيبك خير الخلق كل